Making customers happy is a serious priority for us. So when one of our happy customers writes to tell us about a job well done, we love sharing that. And here's what one customer wrote about their experience with our staff. We believe that reviews like this are a great testament to our commitment to quality. Our team loves to share this positive feedback with the world, so you can feel confident that you're turning to the right company for your needs. So if you're after great customer service that will cater to your needs, experience our first-rate, top-notch service today. So just call us at the number on your screen or visit us online. We look forward to working with you. Thanks for watching.